Hello, lovely people. You welcome back once again to Accra in Focus. My name is Kojo Harrison. Thank you so much for always checking me out on this channel. Please, if you are new to this channel, do me a very big favor: subscribe, like this video, comment, and share. So we are back again with another video. So today we're gonna take a look at the newly commissioned Tamale interchange. So this is the first ever interchange that has been commissioned in the northern region of Ghana. That is the regional capital, Tamale. So this is how the project looks. We are coming to take a quick tour at the project and take a look at how the project is how the project looks. Please kindly take your time to watch this video to the end and like this video, comment, and share. If you are new to this channel, subscribe. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for always checking me out, and enjoy the rest of the video. Peace out.